Hello, you are going to see now the Camtasia 8 tutorial. You are going to learn about how to use the Camtasia Studio for casting video on your laptop, either on Macs or on the Windows. So I would like to show you, demonstrate directly how to prepare a video lesson for the classroom. And I'm also going to show you how to edit the sound and add quiz which are necessary for the teacher. I'm not going to show you every features of the Camtasia Studio. More important is to know about how to cast or how to prepare or create a video lesson, and another is how to make your video sounds soothing to hear, and third thing is how to make your video lessons interactive for the learner. Okay, let me take you directly to this Camtasia Studio. You can open the Camtasia Studio, click and open. We are using version 8 now. There are a higher version available in the market. However, if someone like to use, you can go for those paid version of higher version. Even this is also a paid version. However, if you like to enjoy the good features, you can always opt for higher version. So this is what you're going to see it here. Now you can, this one you can close it for now. So what you are going to do is, do you want to record the screen? This Camtasia is used for recording the screen itself, okay? But right now I'm not going to show you how to record, but yeah, I think it is good that I start with the recording. So if you look at the how to record the screen, there are like either you can import the media video and then start editing, or you can record the screen. So if you like to record the screen, this is quite interesting. Right now I'm using already the Snagit, another software. So if I start recording, clicking this would not, again it will conflict, it will create a problem on the screen. So right now I will not go for exactly how I'm going to record it. Right now I'm on the recording mode, where you see the Camtasia window will change in this form. If you like to record whole screen, you can click this, and if you like to customize your screen, record a smaller part of your screen, then you can go to custom, and then you can keep your webcam on or off by clicking this, and you can increase your volume clicking this, okay? And then simply you start to record, then it will start recording as I'm doing right now. But right now I'm not with the Camtasia. Please keep in mind this is quite simple, okay? Just I'm showing the procedure. It is quite familiar to you now. What are some of the tools available on the Camtasia? So right now I'll stop here this, and I would like to go to the window. Where is that Camtasia window? Sorry, I'm just quitting. I like to quit this. Okay, come my Camtasia. So when you open the Camtasia, it's like this, and then just I have shown you how to record the screen, right? Recording your PowerPoint, recording the image, recording videos. Alright, you can do this by going to the record screen. Now let me bring the video that I have already recorded and would like to put on the Camtasia and edit that and add the quiz. So you can go to import media, click this, click the import media, okay, here on the top, click import media, then find out the video that you have recorded. I have that video that we have just seen, multimedia video. I click that. Now it has come on the screen on the clip bin, okay? It is there on the clip bin. Now these these video you can click and drag down on the track. You see, this is the track, okay, and if you look at, there is a track 1, track 2, track 3. You can keep on adding a track. There is a plus sign. If you click, it will go on increasing the track. Okay, right now my video, sorry, you can say, do you want to resizing or all, you can say okay. Right now this is my video and audio together. If you play this, see how is the sound. I'm going to talk about the quite unpleasing, no, sounds are quite unpleasing, and it's, listen once more. Hello, today I'm going to talk about the very interesting topic. Yeah, there is a background noise is quite high. You cannot, it's quite difficult to listen. There is a noise from background, okay, and this need to be removed. Now in order to remove these, what you have to do is, in order to remove the background noise, now you have to separate video and audio. In order to separate that, right click on this, on the track, okay, where there is a videos and audio. Then you say separate audio video. Now I have separated audio and video. Lower one is a video, upper one is sound, okay, audio. Now you wanted to edit this audio, not a video, so right click on the audio again, then you say edit sound. Can you see this? Once more, click on the audio, okay, click on the audio and right click, okay, right click on the audio, and you will see there is edit audio. Click that. Once you have done this, then you wanted to go to up on the screen, you will see there is enabling voice leveling. So voice leveling is fine. If you like to do that, you may click that, or you can go to now, just leave it that and go to the advanced, the enabling noise removal, and you can click the advanced, okay. And for this, now once you have clicked this advanced, you will see that adjust sensitivity. So now what you do is, you just increase few steps up and then listen to. Hello, today I'm going to talk about the very interesting topic. Have you seen that, you have just heard the previously that noise was, background noise was very high and you are not able to hear it properly. But right now, can you again listen to the same video? Hello, today I'm going to talk about is there a background noise? See, the sound has become very clear, clean, okay. So now we will use this. You can adjust this sensitivity up and down to your choice, okay. It was 50 before, now it is 61, so this is fine for me. So I'm keeping that sound right now. Now I would go to, the sound is being adjusted, okay, edited. We have separated audio, video. Audio has been edited now. The sound is good enough for you, for the listener. Now let me show you how to add the quiz. I like to add a quiz here. If you click this more button, you will see captions, narration, recording. All this can be done even here, but we don't want to do that, so I would like to take you to directly quiz. If you click a quiz, you will get like this. So if you like to add the quiz, so you may see this, and now for this what you have to do is, you have to add quiz. So now you will see there is a button. I'm going to keep it very close here nearby so that we can get the quiz faster. So when you add the quiz, so you wanted to add the quiz, so where you add quiz, okay, are you adult? Just I'm giving sorry, here I'll write QUIZ, name of the quiz. Then I'll go down and choose which type of question I like to fill in the blanks. Multiple choice questions, short answer, true false. So first one, I'll add multiple choice question, and the question text is, are you adult? So that I'll get obvious answer. So I'm multiple choice questions, I will say either yes or I will say no. So our obvious answer is yes, because you all are adult. So now this is a multiple choice question, okay, and then let me add one questions which is next questions, add question. I will add, for this I will add the questions, okay, it has come here. Now I'll have to go down to add the questions here. What is your name? Okay, what is your name? So each one must write. This is not a multiple choice question, this is short answer. So what's your name? Okay, so there are two types of questions that I have added here. Now with these, let me just preview it. Let's have a preview, okay. If I preview the questions, it should come like this. Are you an adult? You will say yes, and then it will ask you what's your name. R-A-N, run, S-I-N-G-S, run, sing command, right? So if I say that, then I say submit the answer. Now it will allow me, once you have done this, then it will ask me, do you like to continue? So this is how the question will appear, okay, when you play the video. I'm going back to my place and then trying to again. So this is now my quiz is I have added here, okay. I can move this quiz, let me put it here, shift, I can take it anywhere. So my quiz, I'm going to keep it here, so that it is at the early part of the video. When you test, you will know where it is. So now once you have done this, what you have to do is you can also once listen to your voice. Hello, today I'm going to talk about beautiful, right? Now your video is ready, you have edited your video, you have edited sound. Now you have also added the quiz. Now what you have to do is you have to produce and share. So these three important tools on the top, this feature is very important in Camtasia. So what you have to do is you have to click produce and share. So you go to next. Here this is very important. You have to write here your email address and quiz. Why we write is to get the students respond, so that it will inform you who all have attended, how much they got. This information would come to your mail. And do you want to see their names, and then is it important that you wanted to see their names, individual names? Then you can click this. If you don't want the individual name, then you can click here, okay. So with this we will continue. Then you have to write the name of the video. I'm just putting RST. So now it starts rendering. It starts rendering, and it takes some time. So what I will do is, meantime I will show where is my video will be saved. The video will be saved in the my document. So click the computer, then go to my document. In the my document you will see Camtasia. See here, multimedia. Right now we are saving in under file folder name RST. It is going just now, it is just 25% is finished. But let me show you my previous video. Okay, when you open, you will see your multimedia video here, and let me just play it how it works with the quiz. Hello, today I'm going to talk about the very interesting topic, that is multimedia. This is how the quiz appears. Do you like to take quiz now? Yes. Did you like the quiz? You will say yes. Then did you like the video? Yes. And submit my answer. Do you like to continue now? Yes. Do you like to view your answer? If you like to view your answer, yes, this was correct, first one was correct, next was also correct, so I have no problem. Then say the video continues. Okay, this is how your video would be. Did you see how beautiful the Camtasia is? Okay, I'm just closing this. Let's see our progress of our is just in 67. Okay, so what you have to know is meantime while this rendering process is on, I would like to show you here the folder where this video comes. The video is saved here by Camtasia. Camtasia uses my document, and in my document you will see your video in this form. So what you have to do is, if you want to play a quiz, then you need to play this with the browser, and if you want to simply play a video, clean video with edited sound, then you play this. Okay, and you can also do similar things with this as well. Okay, for now I think now our video is ready. I'll leave this and go to our site. Let me say finished, and let's go to the folder and find out our video. If you click this Camtasia Studio RST, okay, and let us play our video. See there, since I have put this video in the very beginning, so are you an adult? You say yes. What's your name? Tamang. I submit this. Then do you like to view your answer? Firstly, you said yes, that was correct. Secondly, what's your name? Ransing Tamang, that was correct. Hello, today I'm going to see there. This is how we see, and then again there is another, same quiz I have just spread across. Do you like to take? By default, okay. I say submit, view the answer. Oh, so I have just brought that quiz towards later part, but I don't need right now. So this is how you can insert the quiz into the video. You can edit the sound and use for teaching, learning, and assessment of students' learning. I hope you are very clear with this. I have created a beautiful tutorial to you. Please carefully watch the video and practice on your screen. Thank you.